Hey guys, so today I'm going to be letting BuzzFeed guess things about me. So let's just get started. Well, 1 second. If you haven't already, please go check out all my other videos and subscribe to my channel. 15 subscribers. I'm so famous. Okay, whatever. Moving on, let's go. Okay, whoa. So this says, eat a Taco Bell for every meal and will accurately guess your hair color. Okay, my natural hair color is like a brown. So I don't even know what these are. Oh, of course it is. I'll be back. Okay, so here we go. I think I want to choose. Grab a snack. Grab some lunch. Get a drink. Pick up your dinner. Snack. I don't know what that is, but it looks good. What for dinner? Soft taco. Anything else? I got struck. Okay. Okay, I'll read that. Okay, so this next one is if your random preferences will reveal if you prefer sweet or savory foods. And I like savory, so. Yes, I eat. Neither, but I guess cake. Yeah. No, purple. I don't know what that means. Okay. What about comedy romance? Countryside. Do you like watching first? Yes. Do you prefer to fruits? They're so good. Do you prefer rock or country music? No, that's kind of hard. Rock. No, country. You guys see? Oh, one thing correct. That me though. Design a prom dress will guess the year you were born. So, yeah. The first thing we need to do is an invitation sign. What do you suggest Jennifer's uncle works at a printing show so we can get a discount? Okay, that's simple. Well, MG, that one is so cute. Oh, we need a prom theme. We don't anyone to agree on one like at all. Under the sea. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, what just happened? You're like a visionary. Maybe you can help us decide on colors. I kind of actually like this one. For Under the Sea. Perfect. Oh yes, those colors are going so good. I'm texting Melissa right now back to her. She's probably in the hospital, but whatever. So which decoration should we spend the most money on? I say I like lights, memories, and light. Agreed. Well, okay, last thing. I swear, we need to hire a photographer to take romantic portraits of couples before they walk in. Ah, so cute. Look at this list and learn so much. Chris, he did my senior portraits. Leah, I don't know her name. Her rates are kind of pricey, but I begged her to give us student discounts until she agreed. Melissa's sister, she's not a photographer. She's in college and is super chill. My boyfriend's brother, Hank, he works at super chill. I guess. You got 1990. I'm not gonna say when I was really born. But I'm just gonna say, no, that's not even close. Okay, next one. Okay, so this is gonna be the last one, and is buy some clothes from Romway, and we'll guess your age. PK top. I like that one. Oh my god, why does it keep doing that? Pick some bottom. To go with that shirt. It's either these or these. Pick a dress. Oh, it's so cute. Pick your shoes. Oh, pick a swimsuit. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I love swimsuit. Pick Pick some accessories. And lastly, pick some jewelry. What is this? I don't know what that is. You got Okay, so I'm going to be giving out. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to be giving a shout out to a very awesome YouTuber that I've been watching for, like, just started watching and I'm obsessed with. So let's find her. Okay, let's. Okay, before you guys all question me, oh my god, why is Scrap attacked to Squish? She's like such a little She's such a kid's thing. Well, I have a sister and she loves her, so I do it for her. Who the heck is Jelly? Okay, we'll figure that out. Right here. She is the best. I'm obsessed with her episode things. But yeah, I'm obsessed with her so much. As you can see, I'm watching in the background. I'll show you after, but yeah. Okay, so my last thing I'm gonna do is give a shout out on MSP, which this shout out goes to Rare Loop. So yeah. But Rare Loop is like one of the best MSP player ever. Like, I love her so much. If only she actually knew that. But she doesn't. She probably thinks I hate her, or I think she hates me, but whatever. So, yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and turn on notifications and hit the smash that like button. And see you next time. Bye!